I Want to Learn channel. Your dedicated CCTV training channel. Powered by CCTVLINK. Sales. Distribution. Service.
In this episode, I'm going to show you how to connect a BNC connector onto an RG59 cable. Tools that you need. I have with me a BNC crimper, and I have this tool over here, which is a cable stripper, which is great for stripping the cable to the right length. Okay, let's get started. I'm using an RG59 PowerX cable. It has the power cable attached to it. What we need to do is take this cable stripper, place it on the edge of the RG59 cable, like so. Give it a few twists, and you'll notice that it has already stripped the cable to the correct length. Let's just pull this off, and there you go. Now we take our BNC. This is the old-fashioned BNC. There's various types of BNC connectors, but I prefer the old-fashioned BNC. We take the ferrule, push it over, push back the braiding. Now you take the center pin, push it on, crimp it. Make sure it's nice and tight. Push the tip on, you'll notice it clips into place. Push the braiding forward. Push the ferrule over the braiding and crimp it. I'll give it 2 good crimps, but 1 is sufficient, and there we go, nice and tight.
Thank you for watching the I Want to Learn channel. Look out for our other videos, and like us on Facebook, Twitter, and our website at cctvlink.co.za.